world where chaos and uncertainty prevails, there exists a remarkable creature. From the earliest days of our relationship, dogs have been more than just companions. They have been our protectors, our confidants, and our guardians of the human spirit. They become the eyes for those who cannot see, guiding them through a world that would otherwise be dark and a lonely place. In our darkest hours, dogs are unwavering friends. Lend us an ear, offering unconditional love and support without judgment. They are our sidekicks on grand adventures, fearlessly accompanying us through life's highs and lows, reminding us to embrace every moment with enthusiasm. In a world that can be cruel, dogs become our fierce protectors, always ready to shield us from those who wish us ill. They are the quiet heroes who watch over us as we dream, keeping us safe and secure, ensuring our peace. Dogs are more than just pets. They are our loyal allies in life's journey. Their love for us knows no bounds, and in return, we are emboldened to love them with all of our heart. So let us celebrate these extraordinary beings that grace our lives with their presence. We cherish the joy they bring, lessons they teach, and the love they offer unconditional. Because when we have a dog by our side, we are never alone. They remind us that love is the most powerful force on earth, and in their loyal companionship, we find true happiness.